So in this part, we are going to talk about competitor keyword research. Before that, let's go to our SEO checklist, and here create a keyword list. If you have started that, and if you did the same, just come here and mark it as complete. And on the next one, here we have competitor keyword research. And there are several tools here that I have mentioned: SpyFu, SimilarWeb, and some other like SEMrush and MixRank. So you can use all of these, but here we are going to focus on 2 or 3 of them only. So the first one that we are going to take a look at is SpyFu. Now, what these websites do, so we will only paste the URL of our competitor web page or website. They will analyze it and they will tell us, they will give us more information about it. Now, the thing here is that maybe you say, all right, in my own niche, in my own business, I have no idea who are my competitors. Okay, so that's simple. Whatever you are doing, come to Google, search for it. For example, let's say I am creating a digital marketing course. So I will come here and I search for digital marketing course. All right, and I will come down. I will, for example, I will take a look at the links here, and I will open some of them that I think they are connected. And for example, here, this website, it is more or less connected to what I'm doing, and they may consider as a competitor for me. So what can I do? I can come here, click on the SpyFu, open their web page, and paste the URL of my competitor here, and click on search. So as you can see, I put the image here too. They will search for it and they will give me some information. For example, they are ranking for almost 14,000 organic keywords, right? And 3,000 paid keyword. You can just go through this information and find the ones that are interesting for you. But the ones that we are going to focus are, one of them is the competition here, organic competitor and paid competitors. From here, you can find other competitors in your own niche. These are the competitors of the website that we just paste the URL. So this way you can search for more websites and find more information, both on organic competitor and paid competitor. Now, if you come down, after all of these, here are the top keywords that this website is ranking. This is the first one is organic and the second one is paid. Digital market, here as we can see, most of them are digital marketing. The last one is marketing consultant. You can come here, click on view all organic keywords, but it will not show you. It will show you only the ones that were in the previous page, and you have to log in and also become a paid member so you can see all the information. And if you think it's worth it, if you need this information, if you need to know on what keywords your competitors are ranking exactly, you can come here and join as a paid member, right? On the right side, we can see, for example, marketing master, online marketing online course, internet marketing master, certification in digital marketing. Some of them may give you a good idea that, all right, these are interesting. For example, for me, certification in digital marketing is interesting, and maybe I can use it on my own web page, right? So you can come down. There are more information here. The organic ranking history, as you can see, how much they have been ranking and with what search volume. You can just go through the information. There's one other important thing which later we are going to come back here and talk about it, is inbound backlinks. Now, you can see from, also it is not showing all of the information, but only the 5 ones. You can see from where your competitor is bringing traffic to their website. So for example, here they are bringing 400,000 organic click monthly from only this blog. So let's open it and see what this blog is about. These information are very interesting. Later in the third part, which we have to bring traffic, you can come here and use this information. So there's a blog here, and in this blog, you can see their name is mentioned, the Digital Marketing Institute. So a lot of people will come to this blog and they visit this blog, and when they get to this part, they will click on their website, they will jump into for example my competitor website, and from there they are receiving 400,000 organic clicks. So this way you can find out exactly from where your competitors is bringing traffic, and if it is good, you can do the same, right? So more or less that was all about SpyFu. Let's close it and go for the next one. If we come down here, also here I have explained all of the things that we have talked about. So the next tool that we are going to talk about is SimilarWeb. So let's open SimilarWeb again, copy the URL of our competitor's website, and here at the top left side, free report on any website or app, just click on it, paste the URL and click on search. So it will give us some other information, some additional information. As you can see here, we have the global rank of their website is 135,000, country rank is 99,000, category rank is 10,000, and if you can come down, you can see their total visit per month, how much it is, and average duration that people spend on their website is, for example, 2 minutes. Their bounce rate, do you remember that we talked about bounce rate? You can see it is 72%. It's so high. 72% is very high for a website, and if you focus just on long tail keywords, you can decrease these numbers, right? You can see on which countries they are ranking the most: the United States, United Kingdom, India, Germany, Australia. And you can again come down, see their traffic source. 76% of their traffic source is from search engines, all right? 17% from direct, and the rest, very small number from emails, social, and referrals. So you can see how valuable it is to rank in search engines. All right, you can see their referrals, from where they came and where did they go, and their search. Now this is the interesting part which we are looking for. In the search engines, as you can see, 91% are searching for organic keywords. And as you can see, Digital Marketing Institute, programmatic advertising, video marketing, digital marketing, cover letter, digital marketing. So they are ranking for these generally, but there are more. As you can see, for example, this one is 3%, 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. So these are the paid ones. We saw some other examples in the previous website in the SpyFu. So again, if you see any idea, anything, any new keywords that you may be interested in, write them down in your list too. All right, so you can come down again, find out more how they are bringing traffic from their social, from which channels they are bringing traffic, from Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and etc. This is about their advertising, which they're not doing so much here, only 0.5%. And their website content, so which pages have the most traffic. This way also you can find out, for example, on your competitor's website, people value which page the most. Maybe they have a blog, or maybe they have created a web page that people like it the most and they visit there the most. So you can find it out and learn more about it. Maybe apply the same thing on your own website, right? So more or less, these were general information that you can get from SimilarWeb. As I said, in our checklist here, we have other websites too that you can use if you are interested. For example, SEMrush is very popular. Mixrank is also popular. You can come here, use them. I have put the links here. As you can see, here are SEMrush, Mixrank, and etc. You can come here, just open them and use those tools too. So let's come here and check this step as complete. So that was all about this lecture, and on the next part we are going to talk about Keyword Planner. So let's go for the next one.